Here is what you need to know about okra. Okra is one of Africa's most underrated green treasures, but don't let its slimy texture fool you. It's a powerhouse of nutrients with health benefits for everyone: men, women, children, and the elderly. Okra contains calories, fiber, vitamin C, folate, magnesium, antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols. The health benefits for men: supports prostate health, boosts testosterone levels naturally, improves sperm quality thanks to zinc and vitamin C. For women, it's rich in folate, essential during pregnancy, eases menstrual discomfort, supports hormonal balance. For children, aids brain development, boosts immunity, promotes healthy digestion. For the aged, improves joint mobility, supports heart health, helps manage blood sugar and cholesterol. How do we eat okra? Fresh soup. You can add to ogbono or ewedu. You can also do okra pepper stir fry, roasted or air fry okra chips, blended in smoothies for the adventurous. Okra water soaked overnight to help blood sugar. How do we grow and preserve okra? Plant in warm, moist soil with good sunlight. Harvest when the pods are tender, 3 to 4 inches long. Preserve by drying, freezing or slicing into pieces and refrigerating in airtight containers. Who should be careful with okra? Like who should limit? If you have kidney stones, okra is high in oxalates, which may worsen your condition. People with blood clotting issues should consume moderately due to vitamin K. Always speak with your health provider for personal guidance. He who ignores the tiny plant may miss out on the medicine it holds. Now you know the power of okra. Don't keep it to yourself. Tag a friend, share this post, and let's celebrate nature's green gift together. I am Kobimdi Ofili, or Fruit of the Day with Kobe. One fruit a day keeps me healthy. It may be any fruit: cucumber, avocado, pear, strawberry, grapes, African star apple, any of them. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.